Follow the steps on how to create a clipping mask on Basic Shape Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. Insert an image by placing Embedded. Next, create a shape. You can lower the opacity to make it easier to position. Return to the original. Position the image above the shape. Right-click and create clipping mask. This image is not yet integrated with the shape. Select both layers and do link and group. Now the image is integrated and easy to move. Let's try another example. Create a shape. Set the position. Make sure the image is above the shape. Another way to clipping mask is to use a shortcut. Hold Alt and move the cursor on the line between the layers until the black arrow icon appears, then click. Do link and group again. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.